the life of a programmer. So software developer, architect, things of this nature. So I decided to get away from the computer for a little while, come on down to the beach. You can see it's crowded down here, car going by, but that's about the extent of it. It's fairly crowded down here. Took the old Suburban out. Not much can happen to it. Whatever doesn't matter. Good thing to take to the beach because of, no one will vandalize it, and if you do, you'll never notice. But anyway, beautiful day. Decided to go to the beach. Lots of stuff I've gotten done. I've got clients calling me. Things are picking back up again. I've got my bot project. So I thought I'd take a nice breath, get out for a little while, get some fresh air. Like I say, if you're a programmer in the life of a programmer, you can do this sort of stuff. You can get out, you get some fresh air, go down to the beach. It's so crowded here. Absolutely. There goes another car going by. It's definitely crowded here in Southern California at the beach. It's not a cold day. And well, like I can say, if you can find a lifestyle that does this for you, where you're free to go hit the beach and walk around, you should take advantage of it. There's some more people hitting the beach. Anyway, have a good day. Have a good Wednesday. Find something that works for you. Work from home. Be your own boss. Be a software programmer. Something. It doesn't matter. Just do it so you can, take your lunch with the Channel Islands in the background. If you can see them. Can't see them. It's too foggy. Channel Islands are out there. Anyway, have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.